Morning, guys. Landed super early this morning here in Dubai. And weird na baha. So malakas ang ulan yesterday. And the traffic was terrible, not as terrible as Manila. Sa kanila terrible na 'yan. Currently just woke up and decided to to film a little bit. So this is where I'll be staying sa Park Regis dito, and I have a big bed which is comfortable, and we have some refreshments, but back out na ako kagabi pa. So medyo hindi pa siya maayos. Took out the guitar from the case, para mag-acclimate na. So this is what I'm using for tomorrow's show. And fortunately, no damage. Yeah, medyo anxious ako pagka I'm anxious when it comes to traveling with a guitar. So, but you wanna see Dubai? This is Dubai in the morning, although it's not sunny. So here you go. That's what my view is. Okay, the venue daw is about 20 minutes away from here. Yeah. Looking forward to performing tomorrow sa mga kababayan natin na wala pang ticket. Hindi ko alam kung may available pa. So that's tomorrow at RT Bar and Resto. 26 to December 20. That's 20 minutes away lang from the hotel. So anyway, I see you till the next video.